Hello YouTube. So this is just a quick impromptu video. Been very windy yesterday, all day yesterday. Today is the day before the Super Bowl. No, today is the Super Bowl 2019. Windy all day yesterday. Last night was ridiculous, and I just thought I'd show a little video of what I woke up to this morning. Hold on. Yeah. We had some issues with the solar. Yeah. So, needless to say, I'm going to be resetting up the solar panels, and man, look at the wind just blowing the camera. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to be resetting up solar panels on this fine morning. It's fairly warm. It's like 36, 37 degrees out, but this wind, ridiculous. So I'm going to fix the solar panels, and yeah, fun times. See ya.